I'm here in Ilocos Region, and today, pupuntahan naman natin ang Ilocos Norte. Uunahin natin ang Paway dahil dito tayo magstay sa Fort Ilocania Resort Hotel. I love staying in this place because very relaxing dito. The food, the accommodation, the people, everything is perfect. Hindi ko na mabilang kung ilang beses na ako nagstay dito. Basta, madami na. This is my favorite place here in Ilocos Norte. Very spacious ang room nila dito. The ambience inside and out is very relaxing. I also love the bedsheet that they use. Ang lambot. Hindi ako magsasawa magstay dito sa resort hotel na ito.
Washroom. Toilet.
So, dinner time na muna tayo. Well, hindi ako gaanong gutom dahil ilang araw na kaming walang tigil sa kainan. I will try to have a very light meal for tonight. I will just have some soup, bread, salad, sandwich, pinakbet, and poki-poki.
Mushroom soup. My mango shake.
Nag-order ako ng mushroom soup para mainitan ng aking sikmura. Yung sandwich nila, just right. Hindi mabigat sa pakiramdam sa tiyan. Siyempre, hindi ko pa nalampasin ang bread and butter. At ang salad for some fiber. So, sleeping time na muna tayo after that long trip from Ilocos Sur. Good morning! Let us start the day with their buffet breakfast. Siyempre, hindi ko pa nalampasin ang kanilang garlic rice. Some vegetables, lumpia, liempo, longganisa, at syempre, ang aking sunny side up.
Okay.
Kukuha din ako ng salad for some fiber.
This is one of my favorite.
And my favorite, macaroni salad. toast. So, fight na muna tayo. Kailangan ma-fully charge tayo today at marami at malayo-layo ang itinerary natin for today. Yummy! Parang tinatamad na ako lumabas. Hindi pwede. Kailangan gumala. Tara! First stop natin ang Cape Bojador Lighthouse. Medyo malakas ang hangin sobra. Hindi kaya paliparin ang drone at baka saang lupalop mapadpad. Anyway, there's so much story about this place. Full of history. May mga ghost story din. Well, we will not dwell on that. A must visit itong Cape Bojador Lighthouse. Next stop is Kapurpuran Rock Formation. Guys, papunta pa lang dito, ang ganda-ganda na ng view. Ang daming windmills. Hindi ko mabilang. I am so amazed. Kahit ilang beses na ako napupunta dito, amazed pa din ako. Malakas ang hangin dito. Sa lakas, akala mo umuulan sa lakas ng alon. Madami pumupunta dito. And ang ganda-ganda ng nature talaga. Another must when you visit Ilocos Norte. Guys, pansinin niyo yung rainbow. Ang galing! Parang birds ng rainbow. Unfortunately, weather is not good when we went to Patapat Viaduct. Well, we will be back next time.
Here in Ilocos Norte, and today, bibisitahin natin ang Malacanang of the North. Tara.
A must-visit place din itong Malacanang of the North. So much history. And definitely, meron kayong matututunan dito. So Filipiniana ang lugar. Very inspiring.
Oh, lumilindol. Yeah, it's moving. It's still moving.
So after namin malibot ang Malacanang of the North, it's time for us for our next destination. Kakain din muna kami kasi lunchtime na. subscribe and hit the bell for new video updates. Thanks for watching!